Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can make money P2P trading on Binance. What I am about to show you in this video is going to be mind-blowing, so you should watch this video to the end because there is going to be a lot of vital information I am going to share with you right now. I know a lot of you have been wondering how exactly do you make money on the Binance P2P trading platform, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how. I am going to walk you step by step on how you can make money trading on the P2P platform. Before I start, I would like to say the content of this video is not financial advice. As I am not a financial advisor, this video is mainly for entertainment and educational purpose. Now let's jump right in. To start, we would have to go to the Binance P2P platform. Now this is your P2P platform. In this video, we are going to be working with Naira. So let's change this to NGN. Right now, I want to assume that you know how to use the Binance P2P platform to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But if you don't know how to use this platform, I would leave a link up there in the top of this video and also in the description of this video so you can understand how to use the Binance P2P platform. So now let's continue. There are two ways you can make money on the Binance P2P platform. Now, the first way is when you become a Binance P2P merchant. This is an easy way to make money P2P trading. You can simply apply on Binance to become a P2P merchant. And when you do so, you would be able to earn more money over time. Now, the way this works is that what you need to do is to create an ad and post your ad. When a potential buyer or seller interacts with your ad, you make profit when your trade has been successfully executed. What that means is that, for example, let's say I want to buy USDT right now. What I would do is that I would just go and click on this buy USDT. And when I choose to buy USDT, I would be buying at this rate at around 507.50. Now, the way a Binance P2P merchant profit is that this price I would be buying at is the merchant's preferred rate. Now, the actual rate is always different from the merchant's rate. 1 USDT to Naira could be 500. But since I am interacting with a merchant's ad, the merchant can give me 1 USDT for 507.50. Now, the difference between the merchant's ad and the actual price of USDT is the profit the merchant would make out of this trade. Now, the profit would be 7.50 Naira. When a trader does this more than once in a day with massive volume, that means there is going to be more profit in that day. Now, this is one way you can make money on the Binance P2P platform, but this is not why I am making this video right now. You can become a merchant by simply going to this more right here and you can select become a merchant. When you click on this, you would have to follow a simple process to becoming a merchant. So this is one way you can make money on the Binance P2P platform. Right now, I am going to show you the second way you can make money trading the Naira USDT pair. First thing you would have to do is to go to this trade right here and click on advanced. What we are going to do right now is select USDT NGN pair. Now we are going to click on this. I am sure most of you have heard about NGN fiat balance. Now this is what it means, and I'm going to walk you through how you can make money trading the USDT NGN pair. The first thing you would have to do, if you don't have USDT already, you might want to get USDT from the P2P platform. Now once you've transferred your USDT from your P2P wallet to your spot wallet, trading this pair means that you are going to be buying USDT or selling USDT. It's either you buy USDT from your NGN fiat balance or you sell USDT back to your NGN fiat balance. This is how you trade the USDT NGN on spot. For you to effectively do this, you would have to be on TradingView. Now, TradingView is what I am going to use to show you exactly how you can trade this pair and make a lot of money out of it. Now let's go over to TradingView. This is TradingView. Now if you want to access the USDT NGN pair, you can go over to this section right here where it says watch list and details. Click on this and click on this plus sign. Then you can type USDT NGN. This is the pair you're looking for. As you can see, it's on Binance. So you would have to click on this, and this is how the price chart would look like. For you to effectively trade this pair and make money over time, you would need an effective indicator. The indicator we are going to be using in this video is the CM Super Guppy indicator. Now let's go and bring out the indicator right here where it says indicators and strategies. Then click on this. and search for CM Super Guppy. Now this is the spelling, and the first result is what you are going to click. This is how the indicator is going to look like. I am going to show you how you can use this indicator to effectively trade the USDT NGN pair. Before I start, I am going to briefly explain what the CM Super Guppy indicator is right now. This indicator comprises of different exponential moving average, about 7 fast exponential moving averages and 15 slow exponential moving averages. All these moving averages are what comprises of this CM Super Guppy indicator. This indicator shows the fluidity of the price movement. What this simply means is that it shows you the behavior of the price. I am going to leave a link in the description of this video for the nerds out there that would want to further understand how this indicator works. But right now, let's go over to TradingView. All these lines that you see here are several moving averages. Now let me show you how you can use this indicator in your trades. As you can see, when you look at this indicator, you would see different colors. You would see the gray color, the red color, the green color, and also the blue color. These colors represent different movements in the price chart. When you see this gray color, it means there is an imminent change in trend. So after this gray color, you can see the red color shows that the trend is weak and to the downside. The green color shows that the trend is in a strong upward direction. If you look at the blue color shows when the price is overextended to the upside. Once you've understand these 4 colors in this indicator, now it's time for me to show you how you can integrate this information with the USDT NGN pair. Now let's go back in price. We are going to start from the beginning of June 2021, and I am going to show you how this indicator has been very profitable in buying and selling. Around the 31st of May, you would see that there was an imminent change in price trend. The price went from a green to a gray, and after that there was a red color printed. Now the red color shows weakness. So how you are going to play this is that every time you see a red color flash in this indicator, you are meant to buy USDT. That means that the USDT compared to Naira is weak. So every time it flashes this red color, it's a good time to buy USDT with your NGN fiat balance. Once you buy USDT, at this point it flashes red. You also buy USDT at this second point, it flashes red. You would be able to sell your USDT when it flashes this green color. Pay attention right now because this is where it gets tricky. What I am about to show you, you have to take your time, carefully analyze the price chart and this indicator before you can realize a good amount of profit. Now let's continue. I said that if you buy every single time it flashes this red signal, at this point right here was the first time. Now the second point was around this region at the 3rd of June. You will be able to sell it at a higher region when it flashes green. The trick is that you won't sell it at the beginning of this signal. You would sell it at the end of the signal where the color is about to change from a green to a gray. Now once you do that, it means that you are selling at the end of the trend, and when you are selling at the end of an uptrend, that means you are going to be making profits. Now this is exactly where you are going to sell. Now let's go forward. Now this is another instance when the indicator flashed a red signal at this region right here. That's the first time it flashes this signal, this region right here. That is the second time it flashes this red signal. This is where I am going to be buying, at this region and at around this region. Now let me show you where I would be selling. So if I had bought at this low region right here, I could get a chance to sell at a higher region. This is exactly where you would have to sell because this is where there was a change in trend from a green to a gray. Like I said, when there is a change in trend, that is a good time to place your trade. Now the third time right now is at this level right here. Now this was where it flashed another red signal. Right now, based on this indicator, I would buy USDT at around this level. I will be able to sell it at a higher price. You won't sell it now because it hasn't shown a change in trend. When there is confirmation of a change in trend, that would be a good time to sell your USDT back to Naira. Look at this line right here. This is the 200 exponential moving average. This moving average would guide you in knowing when the price is in an uptrend or a downtrend. When the price is below this moving average, that means the price is in a downtrend. And when the price is above this moving average, that means the price is in an uptrend. Price can come down and bounce off the moving average, and the moving average will tend to act as support. So this is a very good thing to know when you are using this indicator, because you have to be able to differentiate from an uptrend and a downtrend so that your trades can go smoothly. I am going to backtest this indicator for you right now, and you are going to see the estimated profit you would have made if you had started using this indicator from the beginning of June 2021 to about where we are right now on the 25th of June 2021. Now let's bring out our calculator. Now we would have to take the price chart to the beginning of June 2021. Now this is exactly the beginning of June 2021. For example, let's say I have 100,000 naira to trade. Now what I would do is that I would use 50,000 naira to buy at this first region right here, and use another 50,000 naira to buy at the second region right here. Now my average buy-in would be at around 890 naira if I had bought at these two different levels. Now let's bring out the calculator. I am going to use 100,000 naira to buy USDT at a rate of 890. That would be 100,000 divided by 890. This is the amount of USDT I would get if I had bought at that rate. I would get 112.359 USDT. Now let's go over to the price chart. When I choose to sell at around this region, my average sell price would be 960. Now this is the price at which I would have sold my USDT back to Naira. Now let's bring out the calculator. Now it would be 112.359 times 960. What I would get is 107,865 Naira. Now this is what I would get when I choose to sell at that rate. Remember, the initial money we used in this example was 100,000 naira, and right now we are up 7,000 naira going to 8,000 naira. At around 9th of June, you would be up 7,800 naira. Now let's continue with this strategy. I am going to place my first buy order right here, and I am going to place my second buy order at the second red signal. If I had bought at these two different regions, my average price would be at around 870 naira. So this is the average price I would have bought USDT at these two levels. Now let's bring out the calculator. Now I would have to divide 107,865 naira by 870. Now I would get 123.98 USDT. Right now we are getting more USDT than when we started. This shows that this strategy is working perfectly. Now let's continue. So if I had bought at these two regions and my average price was around 870, now I can sell it at a higher price. Now this is another time where the indicator went from a green color to a gray color. As I have been saying, this shows change in trend. If I was to sell my USDT at around this region, my average sell price would be at around 994 naira. Now let's bring out the calculator. Right now we are going to multiply 123.98 times 994 naira. As you can see, what we are going to get is 123,239 naira. Earlier in this video, we started with 100,000 naira, and right now we are up 23,000 naira in profit. You can see that this indicator is working perfectly, but we are not done yet. Now let's head over to the price chart. If I had sold at this region right here, I would now get a chance to buy again at this red signal. Now if I buy at this red signal, my average price would be 970. Now let's bring out the calculator. That would be 123,239 naira divided by 970. Now this would give me 127 USDT. As you can see, we are making progress in our trade. Let's go back to the price chart. If I had bought at this red signal, I can get a chance right now to sell at the current price. Now the thing is that this is not a perfect time to sell, because like I said, the best time to sell would be when the green color changes to a gray color. Right now, let's just play with the idea that we want to sell our USDT at the current price right now, 994.10 naira. That would be 127 0.05 times 994.10. What we are going to be getting is 126,300 naira. Now this is very good because we grew our initial money of 100,000 naira to 126,000 naira. Now this is over 26,000 naira in profit. That is 26% return on investment in just a short period of time. If I tell you that in less than a month you can make 26% return on investment, won't you be amazed? You will be very happy if you had known this earlier, that you can use this simple strategy and make money over time. Now, as you can see that we just backtested this strategy right now. You can also do this on your own. You can backtest this strategy and see how well it works best for you. Now, I truly hope you enjoy this kind of content. Also, like I said, this is not financial advice. This video is mainly for entertainment and educational purpose. Right now, I have showed you how this indicator has worked out from the beginning of June 2021 to 27th of June 2021. Now, this indicator is very reliable and you can get it for free on TradingView. No one else would show you all this that I have just shown you in this video. Right now, I would really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. I truly hope you enjoy this content. This is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.